I would like also na ako ma-surprisean. Ha? Okay, so we'd like to request City Mayor Tom Osmeña and of course Madam Margot Osmeña and kanina nakilala ko si Dave Tumulak, Councilor Dave Tumulak. Is he still around? Councilor Dave? Woo! Ano na ko? Inigbasa na ko ni pero kulbaan siya ko. I have cooled up my heart. Okay, we'd like to announce everyone that after this awarding ceremony, we will have a meeting to all the choreographers at the Barangay Cebu City Sports Center. Haka ng Sinulog at Pamsa at ang opisina. Okay, the mayor is here and Madam Margot Osmeña. Before I'm going to announce the winners, can we give a round of applause to our judges? We have Alvin from CCP, Manila. We have also Mr. Mirabueno from Manila. And we have from Negros Oriental, Bayawan City, Eli Manlangit. From Bacolod City Mascara Festival, we have Rudy Riveche. And of course, from Cagayan de Oro City, the former regional director of the Department of Tourism, Madam Dottie Papayo. Can we give them a round of applause? Itigaan nila sa kitupo pagpili sa winners. And of course, can we give a round of applause to all our performers? And we would like to thank also atong mga kapulisan, atong disaster team, and of course the mayor's staff, and all our interns from St. Teresa's College and University of Cebu tourism students, and our MC, Alvin, thank you very much. And here are the winners for this year's Sinulog sa Barangay. Good luck to everyone. I'm going to announce first the best in musicality, and we have 5 winners in this category, starting with the 5th place. The 5th place will receive 10,000 pesos and best in musicality. 5th place goes to Pundo Sambag Uno. Congratulations. Please come up on stage. Representative from Sambag Uno. The choreographers, we'd like to request all the choreographers to please stay at the right side of the stage. All choreographers. Congratulations, Sambag. Okay, we'll proceed with the 4th place. We'd like to ask a member of the, I think they're here, from Sambag Uno. Okay, Harry. The 4th place to receive 15,000 goes to Banawan Cultural Troupe. Congratulations. Please come up on stage and receive your prize. Barangay Guadalupe. And the 3rd place to receive 20,000 pesos. 3rd place goes to Barangay San Nicolas Proper. We're getting near to the moment of truth. Itong daw ko. Habis ka, itong daw isa na murag ingat ang lawas.
Ganon po sa Philippines.
2nd place, best in musicality. Okay? 3rd place, Barangay San Nicolas Proper. Where are you? Please come up on stage. It's here. Okay. We'd like to request all the choreographers to please stay at the right side of the stage. Congratulations. So let's proceed with the 2nd place, best in musicality. And to receive 30,000 pesos, best in musicality, 2nd place goes to place, best in musicality. And who do you think is this year's best in musicality? To receive 50,000 pesos. The best in musicality goes to Barangay Labangon. Please come on stage, representative. Of course, aside from getting 50,000 pesos, they will receive a specially crafted trophy of the Sinulog 2017. We shall now proceed with the Best in Street Dancing category. Best in Street Dancing, and we have 3 winners in this category. Ayaw tanawa. We have 3 winners in this category. Nabasa na. Third place will receive 20,000 pesos. And third place, Best in Street Dancing goes to Barangay Sinulog proper. To receive by Consihal Jojo. This is street dancing. Second place, Best in Street Dancing. The second place, Best in Street Dancing, will receive 30,000 pesos. And second place goes to Barangay Labangon. Isang tanong ninyo, from the North Barangay or from the South Barangay? Audience would like to ask you, who's the best in street dancing? Barangay! Basak sa Nicolas, lumapa sa kanon. The next award that I'm going to announce is the Best in Costume. And we only have 1 winner for the Best in Costume. And the award goes to Lumad Basacamon. 50,000 pesos. Proceed to the highlight of this year's awarding ceremony, the Best in Ritual Showdown. We have 5 winners in this category, starting with the 5th place, and to receive 100,000 pesos. And the choreographer will receive 5,000 pesos. 5th place goes to Hukpong Kabatanunan on Sabang Dako. Choreographer Nino Carmina Sereta. Congratulations. Barangay sa Pandako, please come on stage and receive your prize. Oy, congratulations ninyo. Okay, so aside from winning, the choreographer will also receive a prize. Okay. The Barangay. Okay, the 4th place, Best in Ritual Showdown, to receive 125,000 pesos, and the choreographer will receive 10,000 pesos. 4th place goes to Barangay Sinulog proper. We're getting later to the moment of truth, and I'm going to announce now the top 3 winners in the Best in Ritual Showdown, starting with the 3rd place to receive 150,000 pesos and 15,000 pesos for the choreographer. 3rd place goes to Panawan Cultural Group of Guadalupe. Hapit na, hapit na. Congratulations again, Barangay Guadalupe, for winning 3rd place. The 2nd place, Best in Ritual Showdown, to receive 200,000 pesos, and the choreographer will receive 20,000 pesos. 2nd place, Sinulog sa Barangay 2017. 2nd place goes to
Barangay!
Tribo Lumang sa Kanon. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2017 Grand Prize, only champion for Sinulog sa Barangay 2017. Congratulations!
Barangay
To
Nayawan!
receive 350,000 pesos and the choreographer will receive 30,000 pesos. The Grand Prize winner is...
Nayawan!
Gusto ninyo kami i-announce? Sagot namin. Ako. Grand Prize winner goes to Barangay Labanon! Please come on stage. Congratulations once again to Barangay Labanon. Congratulations to Barangay Labanon. We'd like to remind everyone, all the choreographers, that we will have a meeting at the belly dancing room. Congratulations. Uy, si Kapitan. Notice na, Kapitan Vic Bonilla is receiving the award for Barangay Labanon. Congratulations, Barangay Labanon. Okay, in behalf of Sinulog Foundation Incorporated, the City of Cebu, led of course by Cebu City Mayor Tony Osmeña, and the Chairman of the Executive Committee of the Sinulog 2017, we would like to thank everyone. Thank you very much, congratulations, and God bless us all. See you at the Grand Parade. Congratulations.
Congratulations to all the winners! It has been a great afternoon, and we have truly deserving winners. Congratulations to the organizing committee, the production staff, and the performers. Thank you, judges! Thank you for being here and enjoying the rest of the day.